Going around the houses, unraveling the phrase. Hello, language enthusiasts. Today, we're diving into a fascinating English idiom that often puzzles learners: going around the houses. It's a phrase that paints a vivid picture, but what does it really mean? Join us as we explore its meaning, usage, and origins, to help you understand and use it confidently in your conversations. Going around the houses refers to taking a long, indirect route to get to a point, rather than a straightforward path. It can be used both literally, such as when someone takes a needlessly lengthy path to reach a destination, and figuratively, to describe a conversation or process that takes more steps than necessary. The key here is the inefficiency and roundabout way of achieving an objective. The phrase, going around the houses, has its roots in British English. It likely originated from the physical act of having to navigate around residential blocks or streets to reach a destination, instead of taking a more direct path. Over time, it evolved to encompass non-literal uses, perfectly capturing the essence of unnecessary complexity or verbosity. Using going around the houses in conversation signifies that you're aware of a more straightforward method or explanation but are choosing to elaborate or have been forced into a more complex process. It's often used in a self-reflective or critical way, acknowledging that there could have been a simpler approach. For example, I feel like we're going around the houses with this project planning. Isn't there a simpler way to get this done? Sorry for going around the houses with my story. The point I'm trying to make is that we need to be more efficient. There are several other idioms with similar meanings that you might find useful. Beating around the bush, avoiding the main topic, not speaking directly about the issue. Taking the scenic route, choosing a longer path or method, often for enjoyment, but applicable in a similar context of inefficiency. Understanding these similar phrases can help you enrich your English vocabulary and express nuances in different situations. We hope this journey around the phrase, going around the houses, has been enlightening. Remember, English is full of colorful idioms that can add depth and humor to your conversations. Don't be afraid to use them and explore their meanings and origins. Happy learning, and see you in our next video.